3 guns seized in St. James, while man reporting on bail allegedly fires at Cross Keys Police.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
As the Jamaica Constabulary Force continues heightened operational activities across the island, they reaped more success on Wednesday with a gun seizure on R12 Drive in Granville, St. James. 1 American Omni Tactical M16 rifle, 2 pistols and over 40 rounds of ammunition were seized in the find. A ballistic vest and several motor vehicle registration plates were also seized. 7 people were arrested in connection with the seizure. Meanwhile, the police have listed a Manchester man as wanted after he reportedly opened gunfire at cops while reporting at a police station as part of his bail condition on a gun charge. Being sought is Orlando Lee, who is from Blenheim District in Newport. Lee is being urged to turn himself into the police immediately. The police are appealing to residents to be vigilant as they say Lee is considered armed and dangerous. The police report at about 4 p.m. on Tuesday, January 25th. Lee turned up at the Cross Keys police station to report as part of his bail condition on a charge of illegal possession of firearm. While there, cops reportedly observed a bulge in his waist and accosted him. Lee reportedly pulled a firearm and opened gunfire at the cops before escaping. The police say no one was injured during the incident.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!